Hi, today I'm for a new POCO F5 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So if you wanna add here some options or remove some of them or just to change the positions of the icons here on the panel, you should tap to this edit icon and here you will see this down section with invisible options. To add them to your panel, you should click to each of these green pluses to add them. To remove the icons from the panel by the same way, you should click on each of the red minuses. If you want to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. And to save the changes, tap to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.